Hello everyone, I am your English teacher Richa Sharma from California Public School. I hope you all are fit and fine at your place. So, today we are going to start with English literature book as we are going to discuss poem The Quarrel Today, which is written by Eleanor Farjeon. So I request you all to open out page number 70 of English literature book so that we can read the poem and understand it. So basically, this poem is about a brother and sister who fought with each other. And I think so. This is a very, common thing, which happens, between a brother and sister. Uh, and the same thing, we are going to discuss through this poem also, that how a brother and sister fought with each other, and after that, how, they became, friends again, and they started to talk with each other again. Okay, so all of those things, all of these things we are going to read through this poem. So first of all, I want to discuss that this poem is written by Eleanor Farjeon, who was born in England, and she wrote many poems, stories and plays for children. ओके उन्होंने काफ़ी सारी पोइम्स स्टोरीज एंड प्लेस जो हैं चिल्ड्रन के लिए लिखे हैं एंड शी has written about her family and her childhood with her brother Harry in a nursery in the 90s. And she also wrote the well known children hymn, Morning Has Broken. Okay, so basically, this poem is written by Eleanor Farjeon, who wrote very famous poems, stories, and plays for children. Okay, then I want you to read these difficult words with their meaning, which is given at the end of the page on 70 page number. Quarrel, fight with words. ओके, फाइट विद वर्ड्स, जब हम बोल के लड़ते हैं. सिबलिंग्स, ब्रदर और सिस्टर. थर्ड, वन थिंग लेड टू अनदर मीन्स थिंग्स हैपेंड वन आफ्टर अनदर, जब एक चीज़ के बाद दूसरी चीज़ होती है. ठीक है. फेल आउट, क्वारल्ड और यू कैन से फॉट. स्लाइट, समथिंग स्मॉल और and not important. Thumped, gave a hard, friendly pat. When we, give a friendly pat on back of somebody, on the back of somebody. Go on, keep on something. Okay, and rest of the meaning we will discuss when we are going to read the poem. Okay. So now we are going to start with the poem. The poem starts with there is a question at the starting, that do you quarrel, do you fight with your siblings, with your brother and sister, cousins and friends. क्या आप लड़ते हो अपने siblings के साथ, cousins के साथ या friends के साथ? Read this poem about a quarrel between a brother and sister, and this poem is about a fight between a brother and sister. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to read the whole poem for you, and then I'm going to describe each and every line. So here we go. I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come on, we can't go on all night. I was in the wrong, so he was in the right." Okay, so this is the whole poem, and now I will describe each and every line to you. So here the girl is describing that how she fought with her brother. ठीक है, कैसे उसकी लड़ाई हो गई थी उसके ब्रदर के साथ, एंड देन व्हाट हैपेंड when they stopped talking to each other, and how her brother came to her at last, to settle all the things between them. So this is a very sweet poem, very beautiful poem about a brother and sister bond. Okay, so first line, I quarreled with my brother. The girl is saying that she fought with her brother. I don't know what about, but the girl is not was not sure that what was the matter, what was the matter on which they fought. उसको इतना पता नहीं है कि एक्चुअल में मैटर क्या था कि जिस पे ये जो फाइट हो गई. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी fought with our brother and sister on some like useless issue, the issues which are not having that important, or the matters which are not that important, हम उन matters पे अपने brother और sister के साथ fight कर लेते हैं. The same thing happened with them. ठीक है, the girl is saying that I fought with my brother, I don't know what about. The girl was saying that she was not aware about that what was the actual matter on which this fight started, but once it started, one thing led to another. उसके बाद एक चीज़ होती चली गई, and somehow we fell out, and somehow we ended up fighting with each other, और लास्ट पे हमारे जो है वो fight हो गई. ठीक है, we ended up fighting with each other. And then the next line, the start of it was slight. It, please write, it is referred to fight. जो it है वो fight के लिए use किया गया है. The girl is saying कि जो fight शुरू हुई थी, the start of it was slight. जो उसका start हुआ था वो बहुत it was in the starting it was very small. It was started with a very small matter. The end of it was strong, but जो उसका end हुआ fight का that was really strong. ठीक है, वो बहुत ज़्यादा strong हुआ था. Why बेटा, we will come to know as we read the poem further. He said he was right. Of course, when we are fighting with someone, we used to say that I am right, and the other person used to say that he or she is right. The same thing happened with them. The brother was saying, he said he was right, I knew he was wrong. Okay, and the girl is saying कि brother बोल रहा था कि मैं सही हूँ पर मुझे पता है कि वो wrong है. Okay, so he said he was right, I knew he was wrong. We hated one another, and after that fight we started to dislike one another, and we hated one another. The afternoon turned black, and when they fought with each other, they stopped talking to each other, and they hated one another. That's why they have told us na that the end of it was strong. तो वो end जो था वो क्यों strong था? They disliked each other after that fight, and their afternoon turned black. Afternoon turned black means they stopped talking to each other. Before this fight, they were playing with each other. They were having fun. But as as soon as they fought with each other, they stopped talking, and they started to hate each other. Okay, they started to dislike each other, and that's why the afternoon turned black. ओके इसीलिए उनका जो आफ्टरनून था वो ब्लैक हो गया था, बिकॉज देर वॉज नो फन एंड देर वॉज यू नो no talking, with each other. Then suddenly, now but we know very well, we cannot keep our fight. We cannot keep on fighting with our brother and sister for so long. And here her brother, came to her by himself. वो खुद आते हैं. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back. Thumped means give a hard friendly pat. उन्होंने मुझे आके back पे friendly pat दिया, thumb किया. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, और क्या बोला उन्होंने? Oh, come on. We cannot go on all night. We cannot keep on fighting all night. हम their afternoon turned black already, बच्चे. And if they are going to continue this fight, maybe they are not going to talk with each other in the night also. Okay, so that's why her brother came to her, that we cannot keep on fighting, or we cannot stretch our fight for so long. ओके हम नहीं इसको इतनी देर लेके जा सकते और नहीं लेके जाना चाहिए. ओके ओ कम ऑन, वी कैन नॉट गो ऑन ऑल नाइट. एंड एट लास्ट बेटा to convince her sister, he accepted at last, just to talk with her or just to end this fight. He told her that I was in the wrong, चलो मैं गलत था. ठीक है, he told her that I was in the wrong. And last पे उस गर्ल को समझ आता है that no, he was in the right. Okay, because बेटा जो boy है, he himself came to his sister, so that they can end this fight and they can talk with each other. ओके तो वो उसके पास लास्ट में आता है और उसके पास आके एक्सेप्ट करता है कि चलो मैं रॉन्ग था. ठीक है, लेट्स स्टॉप दिस फाइट, लेट्स स्टार्ट टॉकिंग विद ईच अदर. और उस टाइम उस गर्ल को समझ आता है कि नहीं, आई वॉज इन द रॉन्ग, मैं गलत थी, ही वॉज इन द राइट. ओके सो सम टाइम बेटा this poem is beautiful, as I have already told you. Why is it beautiful? Because it picked up a scene which happened or which happens, okay, in our डे टू डे लाइफ. हम भी अपने ब्रदर सिस्टर के साथ बहुत सारी फाइट करते हैं. वी ऑल्सो क्वेरल विद आर ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर. एंड sometimes we do stop talking with each other, but we know we cannot keep that fight. We can keep on fighting with each other for a long time. Okay, and somehow either brother or sister come to us to feel sorry or to let go this fight, or to start the communication again with each other. And the same thing her brother did, that he came to her by himself and he accepted, चाहे वो wrong नहीं भी था, ठीक है, but he accepted to end this fight कि चलो मैं wrong था, I accept कि मैं wrong था. And then his sister and then the girl realized, no, I was in the wrong and he was in the right. Okay, so this is the poem about a brother and sister, that how they fought with each other on a very small topic, जो बहुत small topic से शुरू हुई थी, and the end was really strong. And after that they stopped talking to each other and their afternoon turned black. And suddenly her brother came to her and thumped on the back and told her that I accept I was wrong. And at last the girl realized, no, he was in the right, I was in the wrong. Okay, So this is the poem. I hope I have cleared the poem and its meaning really well. So please try to write the meaning of all the words. Already the meanings, most of the meanings are given on the page as I have read to you. But if some of the words is still looking to you that they are new or they are not given at this page number 70, please try to note down them with pencil. Okay. So, with this, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.